Arturo from Conroe has a question about gypsum.
Yeah, well, he got flooded during Imelda. Yeah, and here you can see this is midway through the job.
Got it.
See, the gypsum's all stained in there. So he did he did what too many people did. He says we removed the sheetrock insulation and the old gypsum board.
You shouldn't have done that. Let it dry.
For the record, if you have gypsum in your house and you flood,
let it dry. That's what exterior gypsum board will do. It'll take a while. Let it dry. Then we're going to spray it with some fungicides and mildicides. And once it dries, and then kill all the bacteria and mold and whatever else from what's got in there. Don't start ripping everything out. We have all these wonderful people that are volunteers that go into people's homes and
with a good heart for the right reasons.
And I know
they
a lot
do
of
the wrong thing for the right reason.
FEMA people will come in and tell you all kinds. Just let it dry. It's been wet before, and you still lived in the house. It'll dry out and it'll get wet again.
Now, in Arturo's case, he says we got down to the brick.
Yep.
Dried it out, treated it with bleach and mold and a antivirus remover, whatever is what he writes here.
That's fine.
I'm planning to wrap the studs, fold and crease with a commercial wrap prior to the installation of the sheetrock, which is the right way to go. Well, Arturo wants to know, does he have to go with that expensive commercial one, or can he just use like Tyvek back there?
Tyvek, it's fine. You just want a moisture barrier. That's all that you would put that on anyway. If you were building a new home, the moisture barrier would go on the sheathing or the gypsum or whatever else you're doing before you put the brick up. So, yeah, that's fine. You don't have to have a commercial wrap.
Right. But the point is to make sure you preserve, as I understand you said, the airspace between the exterior sheathing and the insulation.
The answer to that is yes. And Charlie, it's really sad. In 2 years, August, Harvey, and then Imelda, we're still talking about this kind of stuff. It's crazy, the floods we've been having. Yes.
So be careful when you do that. If you ever have to do that, leave the gypsum in place.
Let it dry. Dry is okay. Fans, dehumidifiers, dry, dry, dry.
Desert winds.
Desert winds. Move your house to Arizona. Let it dry out. Bring it back.
That's it.
Cherry companies can move your house down there.
There you go. It'll be a little pricey. Or it might be cheaper just to let it dry here.
Please, just dry.
Okay,
Dry.
Do that. And try to send us a question. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form. Send it in. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.